Hi guys, this is Adam with Adrenaline Cycles again, coming at you with a quick video about some belt topics that we've had here in the shop the last couple of days with some customers, and we see some people asking comments online, so just go over them a little bit. Obviously everybody knows the Can-Am belt that comes stock in your machine on the X3, and then we got really the most popular and the one everybody asks about is the Evolution Badass Belt, and then the Gboost Badass Belt, and this is their extreme duty, just a badass belt. Going on down the next line here, we have again Evo World's Best Belt, Gboost World's Best Belt. We'll start back here at the first. This belt here is factory OEM belt. This belt ends in 652. A lot of people on Facebook and places will refer to it as the 652 belt. Come stock on your machines. They work great. Been a great belt. It's been upgraded since 17 about 3 or 4 different times to this current part number, and it's going to be stock on your machine when you get an X3, so it works really good. Moving on down the line here, we'll get over into some other belts. All right guys, while we're sitting here, let's go ahead and remind you to hit the like and subscribe on this video so we can keep them coming at you, and also hit the notification bell down in the corner so you stay up to date with all the videos we're doing. We're trying to get as many out there as we can that's helpful and useful. So back to the belts here. We'll jump in. This belt come out probably a year ago now, and this one is the Evo Badass Belt, which if you turn it over, you can pull it up here and see it's packaged. It's the Gboost Badass Belt as well. Evo's packaged theirs up to just be another retail outlet for them from Gboost. Gboost has been around for a while, really good belts. Like I said, these are the exact same belts, guys. If you're online and you're ordering one over the other thinking one's better than the other, they're not. They do the same thing. I've run one of each and they're the same belt. You can look on the side here. You can see the Gboost on the Gboost. And then let me show you on this one. Here you go. This is the Evo belt. You can see the Gboost. And let's see if I can find the number on this one. It's not right, probably under the packaging, but you can see the number. I mean, they're the same belts, guys, coming from Gboost, just Evo's getting it repackaged for them. And I get it, same belt, same stuff. But this is the Extreme Duty or Badass Belt. And like I said, it's been out about a year. Really, really good belt, really strong. Definitely, in our opinion, does outperform the 652 belt, the stock X3 belt. So if you're still stock, but you go to bigger tires and haven't done any clutching or anything, this is a good belt to upgrade to. I've run it. Everybody here's run this belt. We sell a lot of them online. We'll have the links down below if you want to pick one up. But we sell both of them. They're both really good, and it's just a good belt. We'll move on down the line to the next setup. This belt is fairly new, but it's been out a little bit, but not real long. This is the World's Best Belt, and again, Evo had theirs packaged for them straight from Gboost. Let's see here. Gboost on this one, you can see. I mean, they're coming from Gboost, guys. So again, if you're online and you see one over the other, it doesn't matter. These are the part numbers. You can pull them up. We'll have some links down below as well. But again, this belt here now is for like you tune guys. You guys that are running big tires or heavy weight or a lot of heat in your belts, these belts right here, the World's Best, take heat from the clutches really, really well. I'm running this currently on a 4-seater and with 35s, and it does really, really well with 195 horse. I haven't tuned mine yet, but I got a stereo top, big wheels and tires, all that good stuff. And this belt's 250 miles in. I'm surprised it ain't come through the clutch cover yet, because I dogged on it pretty hard trying to see what it'll do. So as you can see here, all these belts, guys, are good. You just got to be, just budget wise, they're not too far off. These are $179.99. I think these are about what, $10 cheaper. So you're about $169.99. For me, $10, I go here. But some people, you can catch them on sale. You can call in, maybe get a little better deal on it too. And then the factory belt runs $185, I think. $189.99. So Josh, correct me on that. So they keep going up. Like I said, if you're in a stock machine and pretty lightweight, no big tires and stuff, belt does great. I've run it for, you know, a couple years, but when these belts come out, I did switch and upgrade just because people said they was good, and we wanted to know before we started selling them to customers. So we run them, have really good luck out of them. So if you're in the market for a upgrade on the belt, you know, these do really good. Like I said, for the little bit of money difference, I just go ahead and step up to the world's best, but this is a good belt too. And they got them for all kinds of models, everything out there. We carry them for the Polaris, the Defender, the OG Mavs, about everything, you know, anything anybody's riding out there outside of a T-Rex or, I don't know, about T-Rex probably the only thing we don't carry in stock here, but we get that if you wanted it. All right, guys, like I said, these belts are really good and they work great. And, you know, you guys can use the links below, or you can call in here, because we do have free shipping on all these belts today on the lower 48. So that's a great deal, especially if you're in a bind, got a weekend trip coming up and you're trying to get the belt in a hurry. 2-day shipping from us, free. You can't beat that. So like I said, if you need a belt, click on the links below or call us in here at the shop and we'll get you guys taken care of.